If you want to add a new user to your Google Search Console with email, then go to your Google Search Console first and select your website, and then find settings options, and from there users and permissions. So click on add users and input your email. You have three options: restricted, full, or owner. If you want to add an email for SEO purposes, so the full address is okay. So then click on add. Now your user will be adding soon, so your user is added. So this is our email where we added this. You can't find it, so then reload the Google Search Console. Now you will see that our website is already connected with Google Search Console in the new email. So click on that website and access.